Instagram. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Then open the Instagram app. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Now open the camera. Slide the screen and open the camera. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. At the down you see the effects. These are the effects. You can use any effect which you want and click on it. By clicking it, you can search any effect which you like. That was all. You can do this on your Android as well as in the iPhone. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.